Hey everyone, welcome back to the AWESMR Pop channel. Who watched the new Spider-Man movie? I'm gonna say, it's probably my favorite Spider-Man movie so far. To show some love, we're gonna use Play-Doh to make a Spider-Man lollipop today. Alright, let's start by rolling out a bunch of white Play-Doh. Feel free to use another color if you want. Now I went ahead and made this face template using a piece of paper. Going to attach this on top of the white Play-Doh. And now let's remove all of this extra Play-Doh. Awesome! Now we have a perfect Spider-Man head shape. Let's make the sides nice and smooth. Nice! Here's a closer look. For this one, you are going to need red. Well, I guess you can use other colors too, but red is ideal. Roll this out. Make sure it's large enough to cover the entire lollipop. That should be good. Now give me a minute while I wrap this white lollipop with red Play-Doh. There we go. Now Spider-Man has his mask on. Okay, now it's time to add more details. Let's use some black Play-Doh. We're also going to use this Play-Doh factory extruder. If you have any sort of noodle extruder, that also works. You just need to pump out a bunch of these thin Play-Doh strings. Cut this part here. Alright, we're going to use these black strings to make our web design. Start by putting a string here. Then make an X shape. Alright, now let's tighten these by attaching the hanging strings onto the back. Now we're going to use the rest of the black Play-Doh strings to finish the web. You pretty much want to make thin pie slices. Let me show you. There we go. The first part is complete. Alright, let's continue making our web design. Let's continue making our web. Let's make a small circular shape. And you want to push in the strings like this to give it that web look. Perfect. Let's make one more. This will be a larger circle. Make the same web design. Awesome! Now it's time to make the eyes. Roll out some black Play-Doh. I would suggest using paper to make the eyes as well. Easier this way instead of using a tool to shape. With this template, we can make perfect Spidey eyes. Alright, now let's attach the eyes onto our lollipop. Going to get rid of the webs that are underneath to make it look cleaner. So give me a second. Now let's remove the web pieces. Nice! Attach the eyes again. Okay, now let's use white Play-Doh to finish making the eyes. Roll this out. Use this template. Nice! Now let's attach onto the eyes. There we go. Wow, this looks amazing. Here's a closer look at our Play-Doh Spider-Man. Since this is a Play-Doh lollipop, let's insert the lollipop stick. Perfect. Alright, check it out. Not that hard, right? We just made a beautiful Play-Doh Spider-Man lollipop. Alright, now let's give it a little bite mark. Nice! I know this is Play-Doh, but this lollipop looks delicious. Maybe I'll go get a real lollipop now. Ooh, look at that. If you're a Spider-Man fan, give this a try. Hey everyone, welcome back to the AWESMR Pop channel. In honor of the new Spider-Man movie that just came out, we're going to do this Spider-Man Imagining coloring book. Who watched the movie? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Now, if you're new to Imagining, you get an awesome coloring book that comes with activities, but you only need one marker. The marker is also mess-free, so you can work on any surface without worrying about causing an accident. Alright, if you're still confused about this whole Imagining thing, let me give you a visual example. Look at that! And that's how this book works. All we have to do is color with this marker, and the marker will reveal hidden images. Pretty simple, right? Okay, let's work on the first page. Spidey's senses are tingling. Which one is the real Spider-Man? Color in the large Spider-Man first, and then find his match. Okay, here we go. Alright, do you see the real Spider-Man? Hopefully everyone said B. Well, actually, I could be wrong. So let's check the answer. Nice! The answer is B. Congrats if you got it right. Alright, let's work on the next page. Swing into action. Can you help Spider-Man find his way through the maze and reach MJ? Okay, here we go. Whoops, let's go back. Wrong way again. Let's try this. Yes! Let's color this and then move on. Alright, let's see what's next. Color in the picture. How many Spider-Man icons can you find? Alright, be on the lookout. Alright, here's a closer look. Try to find as many as you can. Let's check out the answer. I apologize. Some of the images were hard to see, even for me. But if you spotted 8, good job. Alright, let's go to the next page. Looks like we just colored this page. By the way, if you're wondering why this page is so messy, I think I pressed my marker tip a little too hard while I was working on the previous page. Alright, here's a closer look. Okay, let's flip the page. Spider-Man's identity as Peter Parker has been revealed, and now he is hiding from the paparazzi. To find him, begin at start and follow the arrows revealed in the hexagons. When you find an icon, color in one of those icons at the bottom of the page. When a location has 4 icon frames filled in, color in that picture to see where Spider-Man is hiding. Alright, let's get started. We got 4 icons filled. Color this in. Nope. Let's try this one. Wrong way. Okay, how about this? Nice! We found them. Okay, let's move on. Color the picture to find which piece completes the image. Okay, here we go. Alright, is it letter A, B, or C? I'm going with C. Let's find out. Yep, the answer is C. Let's flip the page. Alright, all we have to do is color this. Nice! Here's a closer look. Okay, let's move on. Help Spider-Man find his way through New York. Follow the letters in Spidey to get through the maze. Alright, here we go. Whoops, messed up here. Okay, we're back on track. Nice! We finished. Let's flip the page. We just have to color this in. It's Doctor Strange. Alright, what's next? Doctor Strange is helping Spider-Man learn to use his new powers. Color in one shape at a time. Try to uncover these 3 icons before you uncover these 3. Alright, let's get started. We already found the Spider-Man icon. What? We found it again? Where's the other icon? I think we already lost. Hold up, let me color this and then take a closer look. Oh, you know what? I'm so sorry. Pretty sure you can't see it, because I can barely see them. And I didn't realize while I was coloring, so I just missed a bunch of them. Like this one right here. Sorry about that. Let's see what's next. Color in the dotted rectangle, and then draw lines to connect the characters that match. Okay, here we go. Before I connect the matching characters, I'll let you figure it out first. That's enough time, right? Alright, let's start with Spider-Man 1. I'm going to say it's C. Color this in. Perfect. Now Spider-Man 2, I think it's A. And Spider-Man 3, I think it's B. Do we have the same answers? A2, B3, and C1. Let's check the answers. Yep, yes! Congrats if you got all of them right too. Alright, let's move on. Doctor Strange is teaching Spider-Man about a new realm of possibilities. Spider-Man must find his way through the maze. As you move through, you are looking for 3 Spidey icons. If you uncover this icon, the way is blocked and you must turn around. Collect all 3 Spidey icons before uncovering 3 blocks and find your way to the finish. And you win. Challenge accepted. Oh no, we got blocked. Nice! Our first Spidey icon. There's our second one. Let's backtrack. Ah, there it is. We did it! Okay, let's flip the page. Search the puzzle below for these 6 words. Strange, magic, mentor, power, mystic, and realm. Let's start with strange. Do you see it? It's right here. We can cross this off. Now let's look for magic. Did you find it? It's right here. Now let's look for mentor. Mentor is right here. Now let's look for power. Power is here. Alright, let's find mystic. Do you see it? Mystic is right here. Last but not least, let's find realm. Realm is here. If you found all the words, good job. Alright, I think there's one more page. Yep, we just have to color this in. Woo! That was fun. This Spider-Man Imagine Ink book is pretty awesome. Let's take another look at all of the pages we worked on today. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and we'll do more Imagine Ink books. AWESMR Pop fans! Thank you so much for watching. We can't do this without you. If you're new to the channel and became a fan, click that subscribe button for more awesome stuff. And if you want to be the first person to watch our next video, hit that notification bell to have a chance. See ya!